Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this blender with wood effect details from Silvercrest with stainless steel blades, 5 speeds, ice crush, 104 cm length of the cable, 1.8 liter the max capacity, 600 watt, rust-free stainless steel with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Summer is here and I think it is about time to make some smoothies. Oh, this is plastic. Oh, I don't like that. I hope that was glass, but nope, it is plastic. Here we have the measurement. Liters and ml, 1800 ml and 1.8 liters. Okay, the handle. Inside it is the stainless steel blades. The lid here, black and transparent. And of course you can remove the stainless steel blades. Silicone rubber around here are very sharp. You can clean the stainless steel blades and then install it. The main unit with a cable 1 meter, and of course included we have and the manual, the lid, the small cover if you want to refill something when it's working, silicone rubber around, you can remove that, wash it, reinstall it. And that obviously it locks here. It has this gap and it locks. And to unlock, just rotate. You can do with one finger and remove. We have the lock and unlock icon here. Okay, now the main unit, woody style, black and woody style, the poles, and the speed adjustment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have silicone pads here. Definitely it will stay very secure at your countertop, at your kitchen countertop. And here you can have the cable, any unnecessary cable, you can store it at the bottom, or all the cable when you are not using this blender. And install the container, press, rotate and it locks. Unlock. Now before the first use, fill up with water and clean it. And not working. You need to delete. If you try to remove, it turns off. The same and for the lid. Nice, clean it. So let's make smoothies. Now I will start with the tomato juice, something that I don't like. That will be easy. And maybe add a cucumber. Okay. And of course you can add other vegetables. I'm not going to taste it. I have done that in the past and I don't like it. Now next, let's try the ice crust. Nice! Okay. Nice job, I like it. Good results. Now I need fruits. Orange, apple, banana, peach, and pear. Ice, protein milk, and again, safety. It looks tasty. Wow. This powerful and versatile blender is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, making it easy to prepare everything from smoothies and soup to sauces and dips. The powerful 600-watt motor effortlessly blends and purees a variety of ingredients, The sharp stainless steel blades ensure smooth and consistent results, whether you are working with fruits, vegetables or ice. The blender's user-friendly design, with its easy-to-use control panel that allows you to adjust the speed and select different blending modes, and the security lid with a built-in measuring cup adds convenience and safety. Cleaning is a breeze with the detachable blades and dishwasher-safe components, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. The compact design ensures that it won't take up too much counter space, and its sleek appearance complements any kitchen decor. If you are looking for a reliable and powerful blender that can handle a variety of tasks, this one is an excellent choice. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more product reviews and kitchen tips. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.